Hello everyone, a warm welcome to TGIF to another exciting episode. Data is the new oil, they say, and security of data is paramount to every C-suite audience today, be it a banking organization, be it healthcare, be it government. So, predominantly, organizations are looking at how do we secure our data when data transitions from one layer to the other layer across different applications. How do we secure them? How do we govern the data? What are the kind of policies that we need to put? And do we have a broader view of how the overall data ecosystem is spanning in an organization? To join me on this short conversation, I have Nilima, who joins me as a security specialist in this conversation. She handholds customers in a lot of data related activities, especially when it comes to data privacy and governance. Hi Nilima, welcome to TGIF.
Thank you for a warm welcome, Divya. I'm happy to be here.
So Nilima, I think data security is top of mind today for every organization leader, right? Yeah, and for leaders to basically address this problem, do we have any tools or frameworks in the Microsoft ecosystem to help them handle their data estate better?
That's a great question, and I think every CISO and the CXOs that we talk today has been raising concerns about data security because earlier we were just looking at data loss prevention. But if you look at an interconnected world today, data security is important more than ever. With an increasing amount of data being generated, protecting your sensitive information has become the top priority. One of the important aspects that we are also looking at is because of the adoption of AI, we need to protect our data throughout their life cycle and ensuring that the right person has the right data and there is no oversharing.
Wonderful. So we also talk about now is the era of AI, right? What about data security and privacy in the era of AI?
As you know, Microsoft has been at the forefront and a leader as in the tech industry who's continuously innovating on AI. And that also gives us advancement in terms of the use of generative AI, different models like ChatGPT, which are creating intelligent agents, and how we are trying to protect the data at every aspect to analyze and detect anomalies and predict some potential risk to data loss.
Got it. So in this view, what are some of the products, Nilima, that we can see today?
So I have a quick demo to showcase to you if you're okay. I wanted to quickly showcase one of the things that we are enhancing to comprehensive security. And what we wanted to do is let you know on how we are able to secure the data in the age of AI with Microsoft Purview. As I mentioned, that Microsoft is at the forefront of AI. Not only AI, they're also looking at an aspect of securing data wherever the data travels, be it on premise, at the file servers, in the cloud, at the database. So if you look at the solution aspect to it, we can see that how we are having the entire solution purview in terms of how your data lifecycling, data cataloging, your communication compliance, your adoption to AI works. So this is an end-to-end aspect to security, not just protecting with the traditional mechanisms of data, but also having classifiers which are auto classifiers. There is no manual intervention in terms of creating or understanding the life cycle of a data loss prevention. Quickly, I wanted to focus on AI because everybody is talking to adoption of AI, and that's where we also have to be concerned in terms of your data being leaked at the AI platforms, right? So how really Microsoft work towards protecting your AI in terms of data analytics is one of the aspects that we want to showcase to you in terms of sensitive data throughout Copilot or through GitHub or any other dashboards using OpenAI or ChatGPT.
Wonderful. This looks like a one-stop shop across different ecosystems of Microsoft itself.
Yeah. So, as I said, that this is not only to do with your information protection for your unstructured data, but it will also have data in terms of your mapping, cataloging, and various other aspects to security. So, Microsoft is not just looking at data loss prevention, but also backing it up with identity-based data sharing, so that we are taking proactive calls or the right steps to stop the data loss for an organization.
Wonderful. You also mentioned about Security Copilot and Purview. Could we have
Yeah.
a quick glance at that?
Yeah, so as you know that we have Microsoft Security Copilot, so where we are talking about generative AI capabilities. And when we talk about generative AI, we have to have the natural language prompting, right? So if you can look at the screen, I am just trying to say that what are the top five threats that are there at DLP. So what it quickly does, it will look at different information. It will try to generate these alerts with the severity, so that, and you can export it to Excel. So this really reduces the manual efforts that your team is doing, and can enhance their ability to detect faster and take proactive actions.
Wonderful. Can we take a look at Purview?
Yeah, just give me a quick moment. I just wanted to say that if we are able to summarize the incident, how it can really help you summarize the entire incident, so that you do not have to spend hours thinking about presenting it to your senior management when they ask the report or summarization of an incident and what are the steps taken. So this is what it says. Yes, we are here at Purview.
Yep.
So basically at Purview, we also give you an embedded experience of Copilot. There is another thing that we have to look at is everybody is also adopting to various levels or various offerings from Microsoft on Copilot. So when we talk about M365 Copilot, you know that there is an inbuilt Copilot which can communicate internally as well as externally. This can protect your sensitive information in terms of different kinds of recommendations, how you're really trying to discover or analyze the entire aspect of data loss, if there is any data summary, if there is any alert summarization. So this is like a one-stop shop for you to correlate. In newer terms, we call this as a data security operation center.
Got it. Got it. Thank you so much, Nilima. I think those were wonderful demos. Quick 3 demos on multiple products. Just shows us the comprehensiveness of the security stack that we offer at Microsoft. So thank you so much for being on TGIF. To all viewers, please do explore this for securing and governing your entire data estate. Thank you for watching TGIF. Until next time, bye.